So hello guys in the another series of this WordPress development website code. So now we will begin to our homepage editing. So first log into your Pantheon website and then we will start our editing. So in this video we will firstly edit our blog pages and mainly we will create first our blogs and after that we will integrate in our homepage that our all of the blogs and then after that, we will start editing our other pages. So firstly, after logging into your Pentium, then you have to come to your blog page, open your WordPress admin panel by clicking Site Admin. I think everyone has learned about how you can open your admin panel, and another tab to see that how you are changing your website. So currently our website is now looking like this. We have edited our homepage in the last video. We have edited a hover effect in our cards. And now in the latest blog post of coding, we will add different blogs. We will create our blogs and then we will add it here. So firstly, come to your post. So all of the blogs that will create, we will keep it in this section of the WordPress. Because here are all the blocks that are already created when we have installed our Zakra theme. So you can see that blocks here. So if you visit, if you click on the blog page, then you will then see the different blocks here. Okay, so then first we will come to our WordPress admin panel. So here are four blocks that are already created. So we will add two blocks more here. So click on add new and here we will write the blog title and we will copy some content from the internet. So we will search for coding languages and here you will get most of the content from the Wikipedia. So copy that content and paste it here. So we have created a blog post. After that, we will click on published at the top right panel. Then we will click to our WordPress icon to come to this page. And next, create another blog post. That this technologies. And then in the Wikipedia website, can search latest tag. Keyword. So copy any random content you want, then paste it here to just create a demo blog post. Then click on published. Now, so we have created more two blogs here. After that, we will come to our pages and then we will click on edit home page. Now our website has all so our home page is almost we have edited in the previous video, but we have to add another section for our blogs. That's why we will click on add blog and then we will search for post content and here you will get most of the post content. So you can click on it, and then you will see that our blocks how are looking here. Then here is our block coding languages and that latest technology. But we don't want to see our blocks like this. That's why we will install a plugin that will give a better look for our blocks. So click on the Control Z to undo your changes and then update the website. Then now get back to your WordPress admin panel. Then we will focus on plugins. Come to your plugins and click on Add New. Now we will search for post create. Enter. Now we have to search for that. So we want this the post create shortcut template blocks for Elementor post. So now this is that plugin that we have to install, the post create shortcut Gutenberg blocks Elementor add-on. Now install this plugin and then activate it. Now at the left panel, you can see the post create plugin. Now you have to click on all grids. So here we will manage our post, all of the blog post. So here here don't have any post we have created. So we will click on add new grid. So these are our blog post, and here are our latest blogs we have created, that is latest technology and coding languages. So what we have to do now, we will see here and find the layout settings. So here at the middle you can find it. I'll click on it. So here are different layouts for our blogs. So here are the basic one, that is create. So that here at the bottom you can see the preview of that layout. So it's not as much that we want. So here is the second, it has create hour. So then we have to choose the 3 layout. So first is create hour 1. It will look like this. And the create hour 2 looks like this. So you can choose one of them. I am choosing the third one. This block is really good have an effect. That's why I'm choosing this layout. So if you want, then you can choose other also. So now I have created this layout, and then we can see some more other changes here. Display perk, page line, pagination, new page, pop-up, detail page link type. You can explore it later on. Now we will see the query build. So I think all the changes we have made, we have get a better layout for our blocks. Now at the top, you can see here a publish button to publish this grid at the right side. So click on it and publish this blog page. We can see that the blog grid that we have created with this plugin. So now we come to your all grids. So now we have created a no title the blog grid. So here we will click on quick edit to give a name or blog. So we will give this name to our this post grid. Now update. So now we can see our blog. We can see that it is our blog grid. So at the right side you will see the shortcode of your blog. So it is a shortcut, or we can say it is a type of a shortcut, which is helps to reach out your destination in the less time. Just like that, it is used to uh, it is used to show your plugins changes in your website. I will show it now. So firstly, we will again come to our pages, then edit your homepage. Click on edit, and now when we have to add our blog post, we will come to that section and we will click on add a blog. Now in the search panel, we will search for short code. Here is the short code container. So here we will paste that code that we have copied from that plugin. Paste it, and now update the website. And let's see in the other tab that how our changes have made in our website. So here is our website, and these are about all blogs that we have created. These are the only the demo blogs. We will edit these blogs in our next video. Right now, we will focus on the editing of our home page. So let's focus on it. And at the middle, I think we have to remove this title. We will remove it. So come to your homepage, and then it is much better here. So what we have to do now, we have completed our home page editing. So now we will focus on our about page, right? So in about page, we make some changes and we will create a perfect about page that matches our requirements. But I think before that, we have to add our blog in our blog page also. So that's why we'll come to our WordPress. Now click on the post create plugin that we have installed, and now here is a all blog. We will click on edit and see how we can remove that all blog post. So blog. So we will click on all edits, and then we will click on add new. So here we will create another post create for our blog page. So add a title here. So blog page post. Right. We have not edited the. So now click on layout settings, and then so we want a layout of list type. We will select a list, and then list layout one. Let's check how our list of blogs are showcased. So our list of blogs will looks like this. So firstly we will change the column. Like here are three columns, right? That in the three columns the blogs are showing. That's why we will change it one and see this. So all of our blogs are come in the one line in or we can say in one column. Now after that display per page 9, and so almost we have make the changes and click on publish. Now with the same method we just have to copy the code and just paste it in our blog page. Copy the code of blogs page post it. Now come to pages, click on edit on blog page. So this is our blog page. Now we will edit a short code here. Click on short code and paste that code here. Now update the web. Now let's check that our blogs are similar to that layout or not. Refresh the page. Okay, so it's similar. That's perfect. So now we have completed our blog page also. Now just we have the remaining thing of is that we have to edit our blogs and we have to create that on different topics. If you want, then you can create another blog. Like you can change your content. Like my main content is code. Like right. So you can also create in another topic also like your favorite superstar or your favorite superhero like that. So now we wrap up here and then we will meet you in the next video and we will create other blogs post and in that video we will edit our other pages also. So meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and explore the WordPress. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel Self Packet and let's